Elementary English Test and Challenge. Test 3 Part 3. Let's begin. 26. Blank. The phone. A. Go. B. Read. C. Look. D. Answer.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost.
27. She, blank, a white coat. A. Wear. B. Wears. C. Does wear. D. Have.
Been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you try me? Ain't no way I could deny you. I could try. Won't you kiss me?
28. Blank, a magazine. A. Go. B. Read. C. Live. D. Has.
Ain't no way. Want you. Come and try me now. So cool. Come and try me now.
29. Our teacher gives, blank, a lot of homework. A. Our. B. Us. C. Her. D. His. 30. He, blank, television every evening. A. Watch. B. Watches. C. See. D. Buy. 31. At 10 we go, blank, bed. A. In. B. On. C. To. D. Sleep.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined.
32. He picks up the apples, blank, the tree. A. For. B. From. C. On. D. At.
Kiss me, will you play? Will you try me? Ain't no way I could deny you. I could try. Will you kiss me? Ain't no way.
33. Get, blank, the bus. A. On. B. In. C. To. D. Out. 34. She lives, blank, Switzerland. A. At. B. On. C. In. D. City. 35. A nurse looks, blank, people in hospital. A. At. B. For. C. After. D. Helps.
'I never think never know